Welcome to my channel. Today we want to create a new YouTube channel. A new YouTube channel that is going to be the main channel for other training activities that we have been on for the past couple of weeks. So if this is your first time coming to my channel, my name is, and I'm here training how to become a YouTuber. And if you are in Nigeria, that's awesome. And if you are from any other part of the world, you are also welcome. Now, when you want to create your YouTube channel, you should take note of two things. There is what is called a personal channel, and there is what is called a brand channel. Now, you may want to ask me what's the difference between personal channel and brand channel. I'm coming there, okay? Now, a personal channel is a channel that works just like a brand channel, but there is only there are few restrictions to it. And one of the key restrictions is that when you're running your channel as a personal channel, it's not like your videos won't go viral or maybe you won't get views or subscribers. Everything still works like the normal way a YouTube channel is expected to work. But the only catch there is that you will not be able to delegate activities when you run your channel as a personal channel, and you will not be able to create role or assign roles. That's what I mean by delegate activities. For example, if you're running on a personal channel, you will be the sole person that can do everything on the channel, from the content creation, from viewing the analytics, everything that you want to do on the channel, you will only be the one to do it. The only way you can make someone else do this on your as a support team member or anything is by you giving the person your username and password to your email address. And you may not want to do this, okay? Now, you have the option of creating a brand channel. And that is what I'm going to be going into today. We'll be creating a channel and it's going to be a brand channel. Now, the advantage of creating a brand channel is that you'll be able to delegate activities. Like I said, both personal channel and brand channel have almost the same feature, but the only difference or catch there is that when you operate a brand channel, you'll be able to transfer, you can even transfer your channel to someone else. You can create managers, you can assign roles of managers, moderators, things like that on the brand channel, meaning that you can build a team of or a crew or a team to help you manage your channel. But for a personal channel, that is quite impossible. So how do you now create a brand channel? I have a simple method I use. I don't know if there is any other method out there someone else is using, okay? Now, my own method or strategy is that when you want to create a brand channel, if this is your first time creating a channel, you should know by now that you need to own a Gmail account. YouTube is powered by Gmail and Gmail is powered by Google, okay? So you need to have a Gmail account. Once you have your Gmail account, then you can now go to your to youtube.com, then you create your channel. So you just click on the sign in button when you get to youtube.com, then you follow other instructions. But I will want to give you the uh, practical aspect of it. So from this video, we'll be going to the main YouTube channel interface where you see how I will literally create a new channel from the scratch, and that is how I'm going to be walking you through the remaining process on what to do, and you also get to know some other tips which I will be sharing now till we go to class. So stay along here with me, stay with me here on this channel and make sure you follow all the steps. This is also applicable for you if you are using a mobile phone. If you are using a mobile phone, please follow the same steps. You'll be able to create your brand channel. So I've said enough on that. Let's go to class now and create a new channel. I'll be adding another channel to my list of channel. Oh God. All right. Being on YouTube is fun. So let's do this, guys. Come on. Let's go to class. Welcome to the mobile version of YouTube channel creation. And in this training, I just want to quickly show to you how you can create a brand channel using your mobile phone and the Google Chrome application browser. So first thing first, you launch your Google Chrome browser. Now, if you come here, you'll see this logo at the right top corner. This logo is there because I've already signed in. So I will encourage you to do the same. Launch your Google Chrome browser. If you're using a mobile phone, if you don't have a laptop, it's not a problem. But follow the guidelines. Launch your Google Chrome browser. You can click youtube.com. Okay, click youtube.com, and this page will definitely open like this. And this is a mobile view. How do you know it's a mobile view? You click on these three dots here. You can see that this desktop site is not checked. If I check it now, the interface will change. This is a desktop view on mobile phone. But when I go back here and I click here again, this is now a mobile view on desktop. Oh, look at me here. One of my videos I just posted is on short. All right. So what I want you to now do is to come to these three dots here, okay, and click desktop site. But before you do that, let me show you something. Every individual that owns a Gmail account automatically owns a YouTube personal account. It may be active, it may be inactive, but take note, if you have a Gmail account, you automatically have a personal YouTube channel, which you may not know and you may not be running it at all. So let me prove that to you. So this channel, I've never created any YouTube channel on it with this email. I've never created any YouTube channel with this email, but as you can see, it is showing me Shonen B, this. This is to let you know that I have a channel. Okay, so what do you now do next? You come back here to these three dots, then you select the desktop site. Then,
do you know what's hiding
once
in
that is achieved, you select the desktop site.
Do you know what's
Now
hiding in
this has taken us back to, so you come back, yes. So you select the desktop. So as you can see, this is now on desktop. This is the desktop mode. Then on that desktop mode, you click on the icon again and you click on settings. So it is now on the desktop mode. So what do you do now? You click on settings. Where do you find settings? You can see settings here. And now you are in settings. If you zoom this, it's showing you add or manage your channels. You can see there's an S. You only have one personal channel and the ability to create up to 49 brand channels. And in total, all your channels that can be attached to one Gmail account is about 50 channels. So this channel you are seeing right here now is my personal channel. Then if I want to create a brand channel, I now click on add or manage brand channel. Now watch what happens. So let me zoom this so you can see this is your channel, Shonen B. No subscribers because it is just my Gmail account and I've never used it for anything. So I'm not creating channel. So it's going to ask me what is the name I want to create my channel. So I can just say make money Naija. If this is what I want as my channel name, make money Naija, okay? It then I'll click on I understand. Once I click on this I understand and I click on create, it's going to create my channel. But I'm not using this email to create any channel. It's just my official email. I'm not using it. But this is the process you have to follow for you to create a YouTube channel using your mobile phone. Let us go through the process again so that we'll be we will all be on the same page. Let's quickly do that again to show that we have really learned something. Then I think I should just remove this from the dark theme. Okay, so step one, I said go to your Chrome browser and go to YouTube. Okay, still having this in its memory. So let's just say youtube.com. Okay. And as I was explaining from the onset, I said once you come to this place, it's always going to show you the mobile view of your browser. You have to come here and select desktop. Don't forget, you have to come here and select desktop. If you don't select desktop, it will be quite difficult for you to create a channel. So select desktop. Once you select desktop, you sign in. Once you sign in, you click on this option here, then you come to settings. Once you come to settings, you now click on add or manage channels. Once you click on this, it brings you here. Then you will now click on create channel. So any other channel you are creating after your first primary channel that YouTube has given you, which is your personal channel, that channel is a brand channel. So I can just put this one. Let me say Nigeria update. So let's say I want to create a channel on Nigeria update. Then I click on create. But I'm not doing that. Like I said in the previous slide, I said I'm not creating any new channel on this. But as I've explained before, if you want to create a channel on your phone, a brand channel on your phone, always remember that you go to Google Chrome, make sure you come here and select desktop site, you log into youtube.com and you click on this icon again. You click on this icon, then you click on settings. You click on settings, then you click on add or manage channels, from which you now click on create channel. If you follow these steps, you are not going to miss it and you'll be able to continue to add or create brand channels with your Gmail account. I hope you've learned one or two things from this training. Please do well to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed before, and also click on the bell icon to receive updates on new videos I publish. Thank you. All right, guys, that is it. You've watched everything. You've seen how to create your own brand channel. If you derive value from this video you have watched, I'd like you to please give me a thumbs up so that YouTube recommends this video to other viewers. Also, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon, which helps you receive notifications once I publish any video. And you also receive a million good news. All right, thanks, guys. Thanks for sticking around and for watching till this moment. Till I come your way next, check on my next video. Bye for now. See ya.